I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa, take me out the club.
Hey y'all.
Just wanna take her out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We can play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her.
My name is Lacostawhitehead and welcome back to my channel. We are gonna be doing a make list vlog today, so let's get it started.
But I need that cover and I see you pointing.
Is a heart of a woman. Yeah. Is a heart of a
I just got done getting my eyebrows waxed. They got my mustache. And then let me show you guys my toes. There we go with the toes. Ain't they all super cute? I'm liking that pink. Yeah, y'all. So I'm liking that pink. And yeah. Well, next stop is I get my nails done. Today is Saturday. I get my nails done on Tuesday. I get my hair braided on Wednesday. So I'll see y'all on Tuesday. I'm back, y'all. I'm back. It is Tuesday. Yeah, because y'all ain't saw me since Saturday when I got my toes done. So I'm on my way to get my nails done. They looking a complete mess. One of them lifting, the other one that broke off at the nail bed. She's gonna cut me down a little bit. When my nails get to growing out too long, huh, they get to acting up real bad. I don't like that. So I'll see y'all when we get to my nail appointment. I want to show y'all my nails before I went in here. That's my right hand. As y'all can see, I'm missing the piece right here. And then here go my left. And then this one right here is lifting up a little bit. So let's go ahead and get that taken care of. We got it. Who wants the patch? Not I said the patch.
Jimmy, ready?
We got that going on.
Rundown.
Uh-huh.
She's a cow mama.
I am a cow mama.
Is she gonna eat a cow though?
Give me a big steak.
Fresh Market, Whole Foods.
Mm-hmm. Okay, bitch. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. We are coming up on the end of this maintenance vlog. This is the last thing I got to do. Get my hair did. So yeah, I am on my way there. My appointment is at 11:30. It is 10:43, and I am heading there right now as we speak. And I will holler at y'all when we get there. She's taking it too far.
Tried to drug her and Shamia. And bring her back to drugging me and Shamia and take me back to your house. A damn lie. Okay.
Hey, oh, let do it. Hey, oh, let do it. Yeah. Troy telling music.
I'm done, y'all. I'm done. It is 5:49. I am about to head home. I need to go to Walmart, get this tripod. It's a smaller tripod than what I got at the house now. And I need to go to Hibby's to see about getting some Adidas socks. So yeah, I'm really feeling my hair. It is giving trip. We going on vacation. That's what it's giving. Vacation vibe. Well, y'all, how much did I pay? So I think I paid a deposit of $25, and I just gave her $250. So $275. That's what I paid. And then the hair, I can't remember how much the hair was, but I still got two bundles and a half left. So I bought three bundles, and it seems like it got a good bit of hair. So yeah, she said it was pretty thick hair too. So I just can't wait to see, you know, how it holds up, if that makes sense. So if it do good now, you know, then I'll probably get the same style for the wedding. I just want the braids to be a little bit lighter. I want it 6, cause you see how the dark, you see dark. I wanted the braided hair, I wanted was 613. I wanted the combination 3, 30, 27, 613 or something like that. But she couldn't find the combination, so she only got the 27 and the 30. But we cool. Okay, y'all. I just want to come on here and end out the maintenance vlog, so y'all know what my hair is looking like. Got my eyebrows waxed. They got my mustache. Got my nails done. Got my hair done. I am ready for takeoff. To see where we are going, make sure you hit up my travel vlog. It should be on the channel soon. If it's not there, keep looking for it. It'll be up soon, okay? Okay. If you made it to the end of this video, I really else with y'all. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Also, while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? Okay. Give me a big thumbs up, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. What you like about this maintenance vlog. Let me know in the comments below. Also, share this video out, you guys. Sharing is caring. And until next time, I'll holler at you guys later.
God, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday.